Hello, this is Lisa Squirrel, and this time in class we're going to do Let's Try from page 32. And this time in class we're going to do divide the following numbers and use multiplication to check your answer. And I chose two problems, problem number 11 and problem 20. So, let's get started with problem number 11. So problem number 11, let's see, there is 37. And first, let's look at these three numbers, and we will say 234. So 37, oops, not 2, 37 multiply a certain number should be very close but smaller than 234. Now, let's see, 37 is about 40-ish, and 234 is about 240-ish. And if you multiply 6, that's gonna be 240. So let's put a number 6 in the box. So 37 multiplied 6 is equal to, let's see, that'll be 222, right? Yes, that's right. That's 222. And 222 is smaller than 234. So let's try 37 multiplied by 7. And that would be 259. Yes, that is 259. So, we happily put 6 over here and write down 222. And if you subtract, that would be 1, 2. And we put the number 5 down here. Now, this time, we'll erase these numbers. And then we will write 125. And 125 is 120-ish, so we put the number 3. So, and 440 multiplied 3 is equal to 120. So if we put in the box 3 here, that would be 37 multiplied 3, and that would be equal to 111, and 111 is smaller than 125. So if you multiply one more, which is 4, that would be 148, right? Yes, that's right. So 125 is between these two numbers, so we write down 3. So that'll be 111. So if you subtract these two, this is going to be 4, and this is going to be 1. Now, we put the number 8 all the way down here. And 148, and yeah, we're going to wait a minute. I see 148 somewhere. Oh, here, I see another 148, and there is 148. So this time, we happily write down the number 4, and that'll be 148. And if you subtract, it's gonna be 0. So we're gonna check it out if this is gonna be right. How do we check? We multiply the dividend. Wait a minute. Multiply divisor should be equal to quotient. Well, I'm not going to bother writing it. So, no, not really. Actually, quotient. And plus remainder, but in this case there is no remainder. So, I'll make it more neatly. So I made it more neatly. Forget about what I wrote before. Well, this is a corrected version. So yeah, this is the answer. Quotient multiplied by divisor is equal to dividend plus remainder, or dividend over divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder over a divisor. So this is a neater version. So let's calculate based on this. So I brought Mr. Calculator, and where is it? The quotient is 634 multiply 37 should be equal to, voila, 20, is the exact number of the dividend. Well, in this case, there's no remainder. So this is the answer. Oops. So let's go to the next problem. Problem number 20. Let's see. Problem number 20. This time, let's look at the number 49 and 403. So 49 multiply a certain number should be smaller or equal to 403. So 49 is about 50-ish, and 403 is about 400-ish. And if we multiply 8, that would be equal to 400, right? So this time, let's put in the box 8. So 49 multiply 8 is equal to 392. And it's smaller than 403, and if we multiply 9, that would be 441, right? So this is gonna be the answer. So what? Not the answer. Anyway, not the answer. Correct. But anyway, 392 and 441 and 403 is between. And as the number should not be bigger than 403, we will necessarily put a number 8 here. So we'll write down 8. So that would be 392. So if we subtract, I'll make it work closer. No. Okay, if we subtract, that would be 9, right? No, that would be 11. Okay, that is 11. And we put down 2 nicely. And this time we'll erase the number besides. Okay, this, and this time we'll put the number 112. And 112 is now 120-ish, and if, no, not 120-ish, it's about 100-ish. So if we multiply 2, that would be equal to 100. So let's put 2 in the box. So 49 multiplied 2 is going to be 98. And 49 multiplied by 3 would be 147. And 112 is between these two numbers, so we write down 2 over here, which would be 98. And if we subtract, that's going to be 14. Then we put down 149. And 149 is, well, this number, I think this is close enough, 147. And if we multiply 4, that would be 196. So yeah, we will put 3 here, and it'll be 147, and if we subtract, it's going to be 2. So this is the remainder. So the remainder would be 2, and this is the quotient. So let's check it out based on this equation. Let's see, where's the calculator? Alright, now the quotient is 823 multiplying 49. So that'll be equal to 40,327. And if we add the remainder 2 here, the 2 right here, it would be, if we add 2, the answer would be 40,329, which is equivalent, which is the answer. So I'll see you in the Let's Find Out. And always have a nice day.